Hello students. We have taken the question of permutation and combination and we will solve it today. Okay. So let's start this question. Question is given, that is NCR minus 1 is equal to 28, NCR is equal to 56 and NCR plus 1 is equal to 70. Okay. So let's solve it first and find the value of N and R. Okay. As you know that, if you don't know, please copy, just write in your copy. It is very important. Okay. N, I think N and NCR. Okay. So N C R upon N C R minus 1. If you solve it, you will get N minus R plus 1 by R. Okay. So here, if you take the ratio of these two, ratio of these to NCR, NCR minus 1 is going to be what? 56 by 28, that is 2. And if you solve it, you will get N minus R plus 1 equal to 2R, and that is N minus 3R plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now you can take these two and NCR and NCR plus 1. So here it is going to be, in place of R, this is going to be R plus 1, R plus 1, R plus 1 minus 1, so R. Okay. So it is going to be N minus R plus 1 by R plus 1 is equal to 70 by 56, and you can cancel it, and if you multiply, minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled, and you will get 4n minus 4r is equal to 5r plus 5, and if you solve it, you will get 4n minus 9r minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. And now you take the help of these two, solve it and find the value of N and R. Okay. So what we can do here, let's N is equal to what? N is equal to, basically N is equal to 3R minus 1. So you can put N is value of N here, and you will get what? You will get 4. N is 3R minus 1 minus 9R and minus 5 equal to 0, and this is going to be 12 and minus 9, 3R, and this is 5 and 4, 9 equal to 0. So r equal to 3, r equal to 3. You can put this r here. 3 3 ja 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, so n is equal to 8. So r is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8. I'll keep this in mind. Okay. So here it is also given that point C is given, that is 3r minus n, r square minus n minus 1. So let's find the value of C, and C is going to be what? 3r. 3 means r, 9 minus n minus 8, comma r square 9 minus 8 minus 1, and this is going to be what? 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0. Okay. What is this? This is the 1 comma 0. So let's understand the questions first. And question is saying that, let A, B and C be the vertices of a triangle where T is a parameter. If 3x and all this in locus of the centroid of triangles A, B, C, then alpha equals to. Okay, so locus of centroid of triangles. We have to find the locus of centroid of the triangles, and locus of any centroid of triangles is what? So first of all, let's find the centroid, and centroid is what? Any triangles is given, then centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay. So here your centroid is going to be x comma y, and I am giving x is what? X is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, and what is the x1 y1? These are just points which are given. Okay, so I am writing like this. I am just separately writing x is equal to x1, and what is the x1? X1 is a 4 cos t and 2 sin t. Okay, 4 cos t plus 2 sin t. So 4 cos t 2 sin t, and this point c fraction, that is 1. So plus 1 divided by 3. Now let's take the y is equal to, so it is going to be what? This is going to be y1, 4 sin t minus 2 cos t, 4 sin t minus 2 cos t. So 4 sin minus 2 cos t plus 0 divide by 3. Okay, and now let's multiply these two. We can just from the first one, from this first, you can get 3x minus 1 is equal to 4 cos t plus 2 sin t. Okay, and now second thing that we can do, just multiply, and we get 3y is equal to 4 sin t minus 2 cos t. Okay, now observe the question also. It is very important to observe the question. Okay, when we are solving any question of locus, we have to keep in mind that we have to eliminate the parameter. Okay, and here parameter is the t, 2 sin t cos t. Okay, so we have to eliminate it. Now let's solve the 3x minus 1 whole square plus 3y square is equal to alpha. We have to find the value of alpha. Okay, so let's take it. Okay, and if you find the square of this 3x minus 1 square, let's find the square, and 3y square. So 3x minus 1 square plus 3y square equal to, and this is going to what? This is going to be a plus b whole square, which is going to be 16 cos square t plus 4 sin square t minus 16 cos t into sin t plus 16 sin square t plus 4 cos square t, and this is plus. Okay, and minus of 16 sin t cos t. So this and this get cancelled, and you can take 16 common from this and this. Take 16 common. 16 sin square theta plus cos square theta rt, which is 1. So 16 multiplied by 1 plus 4 sin square t and 4 cos square t. Take 4 common, and you will get sin square t cos square t plus cos square t, that is 1. So plus 4. Okay, and this is going to be 20. So 20 is the answer of this question. Okay, so you understood the questions very carefully, and I hope that you don't have any confusion in this question. And if you still have any confusion, you can ask me. I will clarify this question to you again also. Okay, so in these questions, you have to put more effort. You have to just use your mind, as you know that permutation and combination is not so much easy. You have to put the effort, then it is easy. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult. So I am just taking all the problems from basic to top and difficult problems. And my suggestion is that please understand it. And if you have any doubt, any small doubt, you can ask me. I am always here with you to clarify all these small doubts. Okay. Take the next question. Question is, the number of 5 digits number greater than 40 thousands and divisible by 5. Okay, so greater than 40 thousands and divisible by 5, these things we have to keep in mind. Okay, so let's start making this first. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisible by 5. And which number is divisible by 5? The number which has 0 or 5 at one place is going to be divisible by 5, which can be formed by using the digit 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Without repetition, keep in mind, without repetition, and number of 5 digits numbers. Okay, greater than 4,000, 40,000, greater than 40,000, please keep in this here also. So 4 is here, so obvious thing that here we cannot choose 0, cannot choose 1, cannot choose 3, I can choose 5. Okay, and next case what I can do, in next case I'm making for last one and first number. Okay, these three numbers are here. Okay, and next can things I can choose 7 here, and other next one, then let's make the box, and I can choose here 9. Okay, and these three you can make like this. Okay, I hope it is clear. And it should be in your mind that when I am saying this is divisible by 5, so it is very clear when I am taking 5 here, obviously I have to take 0 here, तब ये 5 से डिविजिबल होगा, नहीं तो डिविजिबल नहीं हो पाएगा, हमें 0 ही लेना पड़ेगा, तो 0 को भी फिक्स कर दिया हमने। अब हमारे पास क्या बचे, हमारे पास 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज, 5 और 0 को हमने खत्म किया, 0 खत्म, तो 1 2 3 4, इसके लिए 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज, इसके लिए फिर 3 और इसके लिए 2, एंड दैट इज 24। 7 यहाँ पर कर दिया हमने अपन लोगों ने, ठीक ना। तो यहाँ पर क्या हो सकता है, यहाँ पर हमारा 5 भी हो सकता है और हमारा 0 भी हो सकता है, तो यहाँ के लिए हमारी 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज हो गई, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 507, सो 5 0 और 7 हमने पहले से ले लिया। कितने नंबर बचे, 3 नंबर बचे, सो 3 2 and 1, and if you solve it you will get 12. Okay, and here this is 9. Okay, so 0 and 5, two possibilities, so so 9 0 5, so 9 0 and 5. Okay, so 3 numbers are remain here, so 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, it is going to be, oh, multiply by 1, okay, not 2, 12. Okay, and these are the numbers which are divisible by 5 and without repetition also. Okay, so if you add this, what you will get, you will get 48. Okay, you will get 48, so 48 is the answer of this question. Okay, so I think that's it's right, the number of 5 digits, 5 7 and 9, so 5 digits also there. Okay, so I think it's right, not wrong. So two numbers we have taken, 5 and 0, 4, and here we have taken I one mistake I did. Please just understand one mistake. I am very very sorry for that. Let's forget this. Okay, or forget the 0 first. Let's consider 5 is here, so 7 and 5, so 7 and 5 we have taken. Now 4 possibilities is there, so 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2, there are 3 numbers na, 4 3 and 2, and this one will not be here. Okay, and 5 and 0 again 2, so it is going to be 48. Now it is right here, I did little mistake, just little mistake. Same thing here also. Okay, same thing here also. So it's 9 and suppose 0 I have taken, 9 and 0, so 9 and 0, so 4 3 2, this is also 48, so If you add all these things, what you will get? You will get 8, 8, 0, and 2. Um, okay, so 1 0 12, 12. So 120. Okay, you are getting 120. So 120 is the answer of this. Okay, or 24, 48, 48. Okay, I think it is clear to you. It is not any difficult things. If it is very difficult, I would have been focusing more. So 5 and 0 is fixed. Here 7 is fixed and 5 is fixed. And next case 0 is also fixed. 9 is fixed and 0 is fixed, and next case 5 is fixed. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. Okay, it is not very difficult, it's very very easy, but you have to make a different cases and just solve that. Use the mind. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, I just did little mistake, but I improved that. So please focus in these things also. Okay, and you have not to do any silly mistake. Please, when you are solving the questions, be serious and use your 100% mind while solving these questions. And if you सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस वेरी केयरफुली और उसमें थोड़ा जी जान लगाओगे, दिमाग लगाओगे, तो ज़रूर तुम अच्छे से उसको सॉल्व कर ले जाओगे, ठीक है ना? तो जब भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है तो ये मान के चलना है कि आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और अपनी तरफ से पूरी एक्यूरेसी को सही करने की कोशिश करनी है। ऐसे नहीं सोचना कि नहीं अभी तो रफ वर्क चल रहा है तो हम इसको हल्के में लेते हैं और इसको सॉल्व नहीं करते। ऐसे नहीं करना, हमें हर एक क्वेश्चन को बड़े सीरियसली लेना है। अगला क्वेश्चन है, मंडे वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं। इस तरह के मैंने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आपको करवाए हैं। इसमें रैंक बतानी होती है। हो सकता है वो पूछेगा कि ये जो वर्ड्स दिया हुआ है इसकी रैंक बताओ, या फिर पूछ सकता है कि इस रैंक पे इस पोजीशन पे कौन सा वर्ड्स हो सकता है। ओके, ये पूछेगा वो। तो इसमें आपको एक टाइप से सीरियल नंबर बताना है, या बोल लीजिए कि रैंक रैंक बतानी है। तो सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में। एंड सबसे पहले अल्फाबेट कौन सा, ए है, और फिर आपका आएगा डी, और फिर आपका आएगा एम एन ओ वाई। ओके, ए डी एम ओ वाई. So we have to find the rank of this first. Okay, let's. I told you in the previous problems that let's fix the a first. Fix the a, and how many what letters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, and all these 5 letters can arranged by 5 factorial way, which means 120. Now fix the d here, and when you fix d, a m n o y, and again 120 ways 5 factorial. Now let's write m a d n o y. You have to understand here that in this question now we are going to what, we are trying to find the value of Monday. So obvious thing that m is here. Okay, so if I fix only m and arrange again all these remaining 5 letters by 5 factorial ways, so that's 120. So that's not going to be my answer, because I have to find the rank of this Monday. Okay, so what I can do, I have to fix, let's fix the two, let's fix this. So if I fix these two words m a, okay, so let's fix now two word, two letters एम और ए को हम फिक्स करते हैं, क्योंकि ए को केवल एम को फिक्स करेंगे तो ये फाइव फैक्टोरियल से अरेंज हो जाएगा, और जो कि हमें मंडे नहीं देगा। हमने ए को फिक्स किया तो क्या आया, क्योंकि एम के बाद क्या आएगा, एम के बाद ओ आएगा, तो हमें एम के बाद जब ओ आएगा तो ओ पर हमें रोक देना है। अभी ए है तो ये 4 लेटर्स हैं, ये अरेंज हो जाएंगे हमारे 5 फैक्टोरियल वे से, विच मीन्स 24 तरीके से। आफ्टर एम एंड ए, एम के बाद क्या आएगा, एम ए, एम के बाद आपका आएगा एम डी, ए एन ओ वाई, एम डी आपका फिक्स रहेगा। फिर अब अगला आएगा एम डी के बाद आपका आएगा एन ए डी ओ वाई, एम एन आपका यहाँ पर फिक्स रहेगा। अब आपका आएगा एम एन के बाद एम ओ, ओके, ए डी एन वाई। इसका आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना, विशेष ध्यान रखना कि उल्टा सीधा ना होने पाए, जैसा वैसा वैसे लिखना, क्यों इन दो को ही चेंज करना है। तो इनका हुआ 24, इसका भी हुआ 24, और इसका कितना हुआ एम ओ। तो इसको आप लोग 24 नहीं लिखेंगे, क्योंकि एम ओ, इसके बाद क्या आएगा आपका, एम ओ के बाद एन आना चाहिए हमारा, ठीक ना, एम ओ के बाद हमारा एन आना चाहिए। तो यहाँ पर अब हम क्या करेंगे, जब यहाँ पर हमारा एन आना चाहिए तो हम तीन तीन लेटर्स लेंगे, एम ओ ए आएगा पहले, ये तीन फिक्स किया, हमारा बचेगा डी N Y, 3 factorial base, which means 6. And M O, I think A के बाद M O D आएगा, M O D A N Y, इसका भी 6 बेस, एंड M O N MONADY, इसका कितना आएगा? इसमें हम अरेंज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि एम आपका ओ आया, एन आया, अरेंज कर देंगे 6 वेज में तो फिर पूरा अरेंज हो जाएगा। हमें केवल मंडे चाहिए। एम ओ हो गया, एन हो गया। अब हमको क्या चाहिए? हमें यहाँ पर डी चाहिए, यहाँ पर डी चाहिए। अब हम क्या करते हैं, अब अपन लोग ना 4 लेटर्स फिक्स करते हैं, 4 लेटर्स को। तो MONA, इसको फिक्स किया, आपका आएगा डी और वाई। अब फिक्स करेंगे MON, ए नहीं करेंगे अब, क्योंकि ए तो हो गया, तो ये आएगा 2 फैक्टोरियल बेस में, 2 फैक्टोरियल बेस मीन्स 2। अब ए के बाद क्या आएगा? एक के बाद आएगा फिर डी आएगा, आपका फिर क्या आएगा? डी आएगा, और डी के बाद क्या आएगा? ए और वाई। ये आ गए, हम जैसे 4 फिक्स किए, ये हमारा मंडे हो गया, MONDAY। सो हमने 1 ऐड कर दिया। हाउ इनको ऐड करते हैं, ठीक ना? तो जब हम इनको ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा आएगा 120, 120, इट इज गोइंग टू बी 240, and 24, 24, 24, it is going to be 72, okay, 6 and 6, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, तो ये आपका हो गया 15। ऐड करो इनको तो ये आपको आएगा 327। क्या हुआ? 327। सो 327 इज द रैंक ऑफ words Monday. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, and still if you have any doubts you can ask me, I can clarify all these things once again. Okay, but this question is very general and it's very important. This type of questions are coming in these days in very intent, so understand it, solve it, and if you have any minute doubt you can ask me without any hesitation. Okay, so I hope that is clear to you, and in next episode I will tell you some other problems. Okay, so let's see.